the 2021 Toyota Prius. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including an automatic dimming rearview mirror, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, heated steering wheel, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.